Hello, buddy. This time we took a walk on Kuta Beach. We're going to see Kuta Beach in the night because Bali's weather is now not improve. So, right now, at night I take time to show situation that exists in area Kuta Beach. Bali is currently flooding natural disaster in area Tabanan and in other areas which greater in area Karangazam. Because in 3 today, weather in Bali, not so good. This is the Bali situation in the renovated beaches of Kuta. So if you guys come to Bali, you can see the activity. People who skateboard. So if you guys are that hobby to skateboard, now in Bali, provided a place for the hobbyists of skateboarding. So at this time of night the weather pretty good, so that we can see nighttime situation in this Kuta Beach area. And later after this, we're going for a walk too, outside of this Kuta Beach, and see activity on sidewalk walk. Kuta Beach. For the beach, Bali is also, or this Kuta Beach, it's been renovated here so that you can doing a walker and already provided sidewalks in these Kuta beaches. So if you guys can walk around at night and enjoy the atmosphere, this Kuta Beach, lighting light or lamp, been very much provided in these places. Hope you guys enjoyed. I took this video which they are training or skateboarding like this. So if you guys are on night who need sports skateboard, y'all can come here at these are beaches. There are many children here too that are rehearsing. And there's also pro skateboard, as you'll see like this. Okay, we'll try to walk in places. Another to see nighttime atmosphere in these Kuta beaches because the weather is still good. So I'll be able to walk, show the situation in these areas. This is the sidewalk that I told you about. So it's been renovated. They also have lighting or lighting in this sidewalk so you guys can enjoy atmosphere of the wave beach, Kuta Beach, and other. After this, I'm gonna try first wearing motor 4, looking at the situation on street. legian, and later I will definitely spin again to see the situation. Beach in Kuta this. I've been out of its shores. And this is highway. Kuta Beach. Looks so crowded too though. Right now the weather is not that great, but situation that you guys are seeing this very crowded jams that you guys see this. Well, this is me riding my bike. The road shows you a situation that are in these legian areas, and you guys see still crowded even though the weather is not very good. The shops are all opened. Souvenir shops for white clothes, cafe that you see right now, all opened. Hopefully the weather in Bali this month is better, so that I can showing you guys situation tourism in Bali. Later I'll turn right. I am going back to Kuta Beach. So the situation in area here is like this. Which this area is central Kuta. Everywhere we would pass. Which was once the second Bali bomb. Second Bali bomb happening in these areas. Central Kuta is. Here I'm going straight and will turn left. Because the road here is one way. You can't turn to the right later. Because this road is one way. Headed to Kuta Beach area. My videos are a little bit rocking because I wear motor vehicle and hold my GoPro, so that a little unstable, so hopefully you guys can understand it. And I hope this video always provides benefits or reference for you guys if later comes vacation in Bali. Kuta Beach area is already very crowded. All the shops are open. And at night these days, very crowded vehicles. Jammed. Well, so we slow down because traffic a little crowded. We're going in at this Kuta Beach. And on this right, you can see we're going through the cafe. Hard Rock or Hotel Hard Rock. The one on the right. And on the left this is also very crowded. Next to it is a Hotelina. So if you guys want staying at near this Kuta Beach, you can stay in this hotel. For the price I haven't reviewing it, so friends can search in Travelica for Hotelina. We've entered in the streets of this Kuta, and we're also gonna be going through Hardrip Cafe, because Hardrip cafes are huge, so you guys can enjoy it. And here I am back again on the beach. You can see the atmosphere. There are still many tourists, which is on this coast of Kuta, because it's been renovated. There's already a sidewalk, so that they very helpful for the road. In these Kuta beaches, because it is also bright with the lights that you guys see. Now this. Still many foreign or domestic tourists who are sitting while drink coffee or young coconut and enjoy the atmosphere. The waves of this Kuta beach. In the days, this holiday and Sunday, you can see the atmosphere on the beach of Kuta. I hope I can always help you guys provide information about the coastal area of Kuta, Beach Seminyak, Beach Uluwatu, and other beaches, because in Bali, so many exotic beaches that you guys have to visit. So buddy, y'all see now, this is me walking on the sidewalk. Kuta beach, and very crowded. So the atmosphere of this Kuta area, it's very different from COVID time. In front of us on the right side you can see Uteblet, where it is usually famous and ordinary event created. Event DJ or the other. I'm back again, buddy, to walk on this Kuta highway. And you guys see, this road is also bright, because the lights are already installed. And you guys see, congestion that exists in this Kuta beach or Kuta highway. I will walk on to show you situation updates in today Kuta beach. While on the left that you'll see, Bali gift shop is still open, so you guys can shop as well at night. Because in those in stores, you can choose a variety of beach souvenirs. Souvenirs of Bali, like a Balinese dress. There is a Balinese hat bag Bali, and also other souvenirs. This area that we're passing through is pretty dark. There is no lighting yet. It still looks vehicle lights, so it helps a little. I'm wearing this GoPro. If there's anything that you guys want to say, you can comment on my channel this. Later we will discuss together. And in these front you guys see, already made playing Utebits. So if you guys who want to immortalize your moments that vacationing in these Kuta beaches, you can. Doing sexy photos there. We go out again. And we wait to see this situation in the streets of Kuta. Because you guys have seen situation in Kuta beach was me, the road on sidewalk. Here still dark too, yeah, but you can see Lighting is not too much still there. 1, 2, 3. Lighting lamplight. And we've enter area, which is also crowded in Kuta beach. So you guys either who want to save themselves, you can eat in Angkringan as we pass by. The one just now, the price is pretty cheap, so you guys don't have to worry. But if you guys want to taste really good food too, you can. Crossing from here, go to the left that. Now you'll see the one full of lots of light. If you guys spend dinner here, you guys will enjoy his live music in these cafes. So don't worry. Your moment will feel more beautiful if you enjoy dinner in this cafe. We will also pass one of the largest malls in these Kuta beaches. The name of the beach is Beach Walk. You will also see the atmosphere. Beach. This Kuta with a very large mall, which is the Beach Walk. Many motorcycles are also parked because many are also tourists who enjoy this Kuta area. I hope this weather is no longer bad, so there's no flooding. You guys can see on channel that I've uploaded disasters that occurred in Bali these 3 days because raining and it doesn't stop. But today, because the weather is so nice, I went to Kuta and doing videos so that you guys can also find out the current situation. Still crowded. And in front of this you guys see is beatbox. What I said earlier. Okay guys, I hope my videos are always helpful. Always follow, so that my friend can find out latest updates from Mimi. G Travel say thank you always. Always watch my channel hopefully. This has always been benefits for friends who want to come on holiday in Bali. See you soon. See you in my latest vlog. Bye.